In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add personalized subject line in Brevo. This is a simple but powerful way to make your emails feel more relevant, because the subject line is the first thing your contact sees. A personalized subject line can help your message stand out and can improve opens, especially when you use contact information like a first name or another detail you collect in your list. Start by opening Brevo and looking at the left sidebar. Click Marketing, and then choose Campaigns. This is where you manage your email sends, from creating a new campaign to reviewing results later. Once you are on the Campaigns page, you are ready to build a new email. Next, click Create Campaign, and then select Email. This tells Brevo you are creating an email campaign rather than another marketing channel. You will be prompted to name your campaign. Enter a clear name that helps you recognize it later, such as the purpose of the email and the date or audience. This name is mainly for you and your team, so keep it organized and specific. After you enter the name, click Create Campaigns to move forward. Now you will come to the area where you set up key details for the email, including the subject line. Enter your personalized subject. When you do this, make sure you are using the correct personalization format provided by Brevo, based on the contact fields in your audience list. The personalization will only work if the contact data exists and the field name matches what Brevo expects. It also helps to keep the subject line short and readable, even after personalization is added. If your subject line includes a name, ensure it still sounds natural for contacts who might have missing information. Once your personalized subject is set, continue to the sending options. Click Schedule and select Send Now. This will send your email immediately, instead of scheduling it for a later time. Before you confirm, take a moment to recheck the subject line for spelling, spacing, and how the personalization will appear. Small details matter a lot at the subject line level. That covers everything you need to know.